Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Moneydance, Quicken and Ynab. Moneydance, Quicken and Ynab all help with personal finance, but they each have a different style, so the best one depends on how you like to manage money. Moneydance is a straightforward desktop app. It works offline and gives you a tool for budgeting, investment tracking and bank syncing. It has a one-time purchase which makes it cost-effective over time. If you like a classic, no-frills budgeting tool with strong privacy and don't want to pay every month, Moneydance is a solid option. Quicken is one of the oldest name in personal finance software. It has many features like bill tracking, budgeting and investment planning. It's a very detailed, which is great for power users, but it's also subscription-based now. Some people find it a bit clunky, but it still does a lot if you need an all-in-one platform. Ynab, you need a budget, is more about building better money habits. It teaches you to plan every dollar and be international with spending. It's great if you're looking to get out of the debt or stay in control of every part of your budget. It's simple, very user-friendly, and a strong community, but it's subscription only and doesn't offer much for tracking investments. If you like a classic desktop software and value privacy, Moneydance is great. If you want lots of financial features in one app and don't mind a subscription, Quicken is powerful. And if you want to improve your budgeting habits and plan your spending more mindfully, Ynab is the best fit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.